Hey guys, welcome to a new video on NailPossible. In this tutorial, we're going to make this jack-o'-lantern design using nail stamping. We start applying our base coat. As a base color, I'm going to combine two polishes. These polishes are a bit sheer, so first I'm going to apply a light coat of the lightest shade. And now I'm going to apply a light coat of the darkest shade so the polish underneath can peek through, but it's mostly the jelly on top. We clean up around the nails. And we apply a little bit of liquid latex. Now for the stamping, we're going to use a Halloween plate and a black polish. This is the image we're going to be using. And now we're gonna need a mix of two colors, an orange and a yellow. We're gonna mix the two colors with the dotting tool. And we're gonna use this mixture to fill the pumpkins so it looks like they're lit from the inside. Once they're all filled in, we stamp the image on the nail. And we repeat this process on the rest of the nails. We can now remove the liquid latex. And we clean up any residue. Finally, we apply a top coat. And our jack-o'-lanterns are ready. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye!